What is up, guys? And today in this video I am going to be well, not really sing because I technically have a brother and he's really mean. And yeah. So I don't really have anything to do. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Going up the stairs. Look at that. Look how beautiful it is. Yeah. Okay. Probably shouldn't have done that. Say hi, Chris.
Hi, Chris.
Well, that's pretty weird. Yo, Mit. Oh. Yeah, that's how humans do it. And yeah. Can you see yourself? Can you see yourself? Okay, so nothing really in the fridge. And lots of things in the freezer.